Thus I say, a man should not, of his own accord, deny the world of fire bodies, nor should he deny the self. He who denies the world of fire bodies, denies the self. And he who denies the self, denies the world of fire bodies. 1. He who knows that fire through which injury is done to the long-living bodies, that is plants. 1. Knows also that which does no injury, that is control. And he who knows that which does no injury, knows also that through which no injury is done to the long-living bodies. 2. This has been seen by the heroes of faith who conquered ignorance. For they control themselves, always exert themselves, always mind their duty. He who is unmindful of duty, and desiring of the qualities, that is of the pleasure and profit which may be derived from the elements, is called the torment too of living beings. Knowing this, a wise man resolves, now I shall do no more what I used to do wantonly before. 3c. There are men who control themselves. Others pretend only to be houseless. For one destroys this fire body by bad and injurious doings, and many 8 other beings, besides, which he hurts by means of fire, through his doing acts relating to fire. About this the revered one has taught the truth, for the sake of the splendor, honor, and glory of this life, for the sake of birth, death, and final liberation, for the removal of pain, man acts sinfully towards fire, or causes others to act so, or allows others to act so. For this deprives him of happiness and perfect wisdom. About this he is informed when he has understood, or heard from the revered one or from the monks, the faith to be coveted. There are some who, of a truth, know this, that is, injuring to be the bondage, the delusion, the death, the hell. For this a man is longing, when he destroys this fire body by bad and injurious doings, and many other beings, besides, which he hurts by means of fire, through his doing acts relating to fire. Thus I say. 5. There are beings living in the earth, living in grass, living on leaves, living in wood, living in cow dung, living in dust heaps, jumping beings which coming near fire fall into it. Some, certainly, touched by fire, shrivel up. Those which shrivel up there, lose their sense there. Those which lose their sense there, die there. 6. He who injures these fire bodies does not comprehend and renounce the sinful acts. He who does not injure these, comprehends and renounces the sinful acts. Knowing them, a wise man should not act sinfully towards fire, nor cause others to act so, nor allow others to act so. He who knows the causes of sin relating to fire, is called a reward-knowing sage. Thus I say. 7.